Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and do a quick video on why you should not buy the Galaxy Fold. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay guys, so before I tell you my reasons why you should not buy the Galaxy Fold, I asked on Twitter, question of the day, why are you not buying the Galaxy Fold? So let's go ahead and go through some of the reasons why you guys don't want to buy the Galaxy Fold. Unlock Custom Droid said, mainly the price, and also I do not want to be an early adopter or the first or the second generation of the Fold. Maybe the Galaxy S Note Fold 0.4 in 2025. Galaxy Fold completely failed their launch date. They're trying to band-aid fix it. I agree, I completely agree. You're gonna become a guinea pig to Samsung's new prototype. That's what it is, a prototype. Greg All said, too damn expensive. That's right, it's too damn expensive. Freddie said, I think the concept is awesome. It's incredible how far smartphones have gone over the last few years. The reason I'm not buying it is because it's too damn expensive. And B, it's brand new technology. The first version was recalled shortly after the release. So in turn, I'll wait a few years, let it get perfected, let the price come down. I completely agree, Freddie. But in the long run, is it necessary? My phone does what I need as it is. Do I need a bigger display? Guess in due time we'll find out. Yeah, my phone does pretty much everything. Why do I have to unfold my phone to use my phone? Alright, Nice Chap said too fragile to use as a phone and too expensive. Obviously, it has some design problems. The screen breaks easily. Lonnie said, because I can't afford it. Love to have it though, Max. Steven said, because it's a gimmick and the screen can scratch with just a fingernail. Chirag Vankar said, like you always said, don't buy the first generation product of anything. Let them work on the technology, buy the third or fourth edition. Don't be a guinea pig. Don't be a guinea pig. James Sinclair said, poor screen quality and resolution. So at 7.3 inches folded out, unfolded, the resolution is only 1536 by 2152. Now I'm daily driving the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's got 1440 by 3040 pixels. The Galaxy Fold has a somewhat odd resolution. It's got slightly more resolution vertically, 1536, but it's only got 2152 pixels laterally or horizontally. 362 pixel density. Versus my Note 10 Plus has 498 pixels per inch density. Alright, El Dragon Azul said, for $2,000, I would rather buy a laptop and a new phone. Me too. Baby Doll said, the front screen is too small. This, guys, looks like a terrible, terrible design. I don't think you will ever use a front screen. Alright, Mohamed AG said, main screen too small. Headphone jack missing. Pricey. Bulky. It slips from your hand, it's a goner. How are you gonna put a phone case on a flip phone that flips out into a tablet? Okay, so let me give you my thoughts now why I'm not buying a Galaxy Fold. Number one rule of thumb for techies when you buy gadgets such as smartphones. Never buy the first generation device. You become a guinea pig. Always buy the second version. You've seen the Essential phone launch. There was a lot of hype around it. A lot of people bought it. I never bought it. I told you guys I was going to buy the second version. Well, Essential 2 never came out. The company folded. Alright, number two. Galaxy Fold is fragile. Fragile. Whatever you want to call it. It is protected by a fragile thin film that you're not supposed to take out. If you have kids that play with your Galaxy Fold and maybe they accidentally try to take out the protective film, that's pretty much it. That will damage your Galaxy Fold. There's no way to easily replace it. You'll have to get it replaced professionally. That's a hassle already. It's a bad design. Alright, third, Galaxy Fold is not even a smartphone. Does that look like a smartphone to you? That does look like a smartphone from like 2011. That looks like a flip phone with the small screen on it. You're not actually getting a smartphone. What you're getting is a 7.3 inch tablet that can be folded. What Samsung needs to do is make it a full smartphone, usable without unfolding. Otherwise, there's no merits of using it as a smartphone. This tiny 4.6 inch screen is not going to be a fun experience. I bet you $100 you will never use that screen. All right, and think about how many times you're gonna have to unfold your phone to watch Google Maps, unfold your phone to watch YouTube. How many times are you gonna do that? It's gonna take you at least 2 to 3 seconds to unfold, fold it back. And you know what annoys me the most right now with the Galaxy Note 10? Even though the in-display fingerprint sensor is pretty fast, you can see sometimes I miss it. It is pretty fast, but sometimes I miss it, and I rather have the back fingerprint sensor, rear fingerprint sensor, because it saves me that 0.5 seconds. For people who want to actually use a smartphone, unfolding your phone to actually do something, it's just a pain in the ass. Galaxy Fold definitely sounds like a great idea, but they should redesign it. It sounds like it's gonna fold literally, if you know what I mean. That's like naming something like Galaxy Fail. We folded our phone. Maybe something like Galaxy Bend. Galaxy Bend Over. Galaxy Fold is losing value every single day. In technology, gadgets, even my Galaxy Note 10 Plus loses value every single day. By the time you actually get your Galaxy Fold, the value of it have probably dropped by 30 to 50%. So you have $2,000 to spend on the Galaxy Fold. What are the alternatives, Mr. Max? So you can buy a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which has a 6.8-inch screen, which is just slightly smaller than 7.3-inch screen on the Galaxy Fold. You don't have to unfold it. All right, and if you need a tablet, get a real tablet. I paid $650 for this tablet. It actually has a 10.5-inch screen with much higher resolution than the Galaxy Fold. I can put a nice protective case on it to protect the screen. I can probably even get a tempered glass. Both of these will cost me, right now you can get this for about 900 bucks, so $1,550. You still save $450 over buying a Galaxy Fold. What is a better value? All right, at 7.3 inches, this is not even a tablet size. That's sort of like a big smartphone that you have to unfold to use, right? I would have to say at least 9 inches or ideally around 10.5 inches to be a real tablet. Now, I do wish Samsung do keep developing this into something better. Obviously, it's their first version. Samsung had a really good idea, but they executed miserably. They had display failures, launch delays. Samsung simply needs to make it more practical, all right? Make the folded display much bigger with less bezels. I'm not a bezel whore, but this is terrible looking design. I put something like this instead of this, and make sure when it's unfolded, make sure it's sized something like this instead of this. And another point I gotta point out, the aspect ratio on this is almost like a square. All right, when you view videos, you're gonna have a lot of black bars. Even if you fit it, you're gonna be missing out on a lot of information, or you're gonna have a lot of black bars. It's simply not a good design. I would say a better design would be fold it 3-fold. That way when it folds out, it can go up all the way up to almost 10.5 inches. Then you have a nice 16:9 ratio, a rectangle, a real tablet. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys reasons why you should not buy the phone, and you guys gave me reasons why you did not buy the Galaxy Fold. I think it should stay folded, and we will wait for the next Galaxy Bend Over. Have a great day, guys. Hit the thumbs up for me, and don't forget to share this video with anybody, any of your friends who wanted to buy a Galaxy Fold, so you can save them $2,000. Have a great day, and as always, stay on practicality.
Click here to subscribe. 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 To subscribe.